King Jesus back, 2013. New world. You see the vertical sun rays in Colorado. You see how all the wildfires in California and Colorado, it's from the vertical sun rays in the spring equinox. King Jesus. King Jesus back on the microphone, ready to blast, ready to attack. Yeah, cause I don't lack knowledge. I went to spiritual college that was within me. See, the dream state very mentally. King Jesus meant to be on this earth in this day and time as I rhyme. I'm doing it real fine. King Jesus, that is me. I'ma take you to spiritual school like philosophy. You gotta pay attention to your dream state. That's how you elevate in the days of the sun. I am the one, King Jesus, coming with the lyrical gun. On attack. See, knowledge I don't lack. I'm coming straight and direct. See, King Jesus, is back on the set, straight from the brain. No pen and pad, man. Nah, I don't do that. I don't do that. Cause that don't make me correct. When I go to sleep at night, I intercept the spaces. See, God is talking to me like ace on a card or something. Don't you know, King Jesus here, I'm bumping on the microphone, check 1, 2. This is what I do, I'm coming through, the natural way. King Jesus, ruling the day. Look at how Mother Nature shaping the earth, the tornadoes, in Oklahoma, dang, you smell the aroma. Very hot weather in the northeast. It's been raining in 23 days straight in North Carolina. G hip hop. The planet rock. King Jesus, the Christ. I'm very nice. Don't think twice. Like rolling dice. I'm rolling 5-2. Don't you know, King Jesus coming through to the hip hop world. Don't you know, this the new world. Pay attention to your mind state. 6-6, you gotta escape. 6, I forgot the last one. See, King Jesus got the real vertical gun. I'm back, ready to attack. King Jesus. As Colorado and California burn from the vertical sun rays from the sun. King Jesus the one.